Hello again, guys. This is Brandon Dugas of BD Custom Guitars coming to you with another sound test for the red and carbon fiber Strat. I was just watching the video from the original red and carbon fiber Strat sound test, and I realized that the sound wasn't rocky enough. So I'm basically going to quickly just play the same riff. Just play Rocky Like a Hurricane intro from the Scorpions on the different settings on the pedal, just so you can see the different sounds that this guitar has in a cheap little $15 loaded Strat pickguard. So let's just quickly go through that. I'll also play on clean. Let's just do that clean first. That's not clean. There's the sound that Strats are known for. This is the clean side. Now let's bring out the dirty side of this one. This is a Line 6 Uber Metal pedal. I highly recommend it. It's a lot of different sounds from a pedal that you could pick up at the guitar shop for under $100. I got mine for $50 used. If you could find it used, get it. It's well worth the money, even if you have to pay $100 for it. So first, let's start off with metal. Right now I have it set at a no scoop. Actually, let's put a little bit of scoop in there. Full overdrive, full treble, full mid, full bass. Let's just go through the three settings. The first setting is metal, then pulverize, then insane. Let's start with metal. That is not bad. Next, let's go with pulverize, which is more of a trebly, less bassy sound. And my favorite is insane. It's more of supposed to be a metal-y tone. Let's see how it sounds on this. Well, if you can see the guitar. Not bad. Let's try something weird. Never done this before. Let's see how it sounds. Put full scoop as well. Basically full everything. Put it back on pulverize. No, screw that. Sounds like sorry. Sounds very bad. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my amateur guitar playing on a really nice guitar. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time.